Hello everybody, Mike here. So we have the 2K security camera by Tapo just delivered. Some of the features on the side here. I'm going to do a little unboxing, set this up. So here it is, unboxed. It's pretty nice. Download the app. There it is in the App Store. Download that. Set up an account. There it is. You can activate it. The email. And time to add the camera. So there it is. Add this camera. And next, once you plug it in, it should start blinking. Connect to the Wi-Fi. There it is. Found it. Connecting to the network. Pair the device. You can name your camera. And once you're done, it should be ready. It says complete. So there is the camera in the spot I'm going to have it. I wanted an outdoor camera that was better at night vision than the one I previously had. So here it is in the daytime. As you can see, you can have it where it says person and identifies, or is it a person? Maybe not, but it is 2K, so the picture is nice in the daytime, but I'm more concerned about what it looks in the nighttime, so we're going to check that out later. But first, I'm going to set up the local storage so you can put it in an SD card. You don't have to do the cloud. So there it is, SD slot. Just put that in there, and you just format the card, kind of erases it, gets it ready, and then it plays on a loop. You can also share this. So if you have somebody else in the house who want to give access to the camera, you can do that in the app. They just have to sign up with their email and you can invite them. So here's a look at what the old camera looked like at nighttime. And here is the difference on this camera. Much better. You can really see. You can see everything basically in the backyard. There is the option to put on like a light to get like the color, but we're not probably going to do that since we don't want that light on all night. But the night vision, it's really good. So overall, like happy with the purchase, a highly rated product, and I'm pretty impressed so far.